You know, sometimes I'm caught up in my head. I'm trying to make the best of the lows and the highs, but it's hard sometimes when you're scared to take a step. You're fighting with the waves, so afraid of the tide. Gotta let it go, that's the only way that I know how. Gotta lose control, no, I won't ever let it get me down. Oh, when I'm low,